How to set wallpaper on Snapchat for free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is tap on the chat section at the bottom left of the screen. Then select any of the chat where you would want to set the wallpaper for. I'm going to select on the particular profile and then tap on the profile name. Then all you have to do is just tap on the wallpaper option under our chat section over here. So tap on wallpaper, and as you tap on wallpaper you'll be able to see different options where you can just get the wallpaper over here. So these locked items are something that you have to unlock, but these are not free. So all of these without any locks are free ones. You can select any of these options, or you can go to your camera roll or saved in chat and so on. So I'm going to go for us, and I'm just going to select any one randomly over here and then tap on confirm, and there you go. So let's go, and here you can see the wallpaper has been set. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.